So, how did it go?
Overall, everything went fine. I returned the gas line. She gave me no problems. She went ahead and sent it back to the card. Blah. So the old one is returned. Let me tell you what happened. So when I went in there, I found this bag that had been opened.
Oh boy.
You know me, I never buy open stuff, right? Well, remember what did I want that they didn't have?
6 feet.
60 inches, 5 feet.
5 feet.
Well, let's just say that the amount of tubing in this bag appears to be more than 4 feet. I'm not 100% sure if it is. It may not be. Oh.
It's
2 of them.
not 60.
I think this is the size I need, which is also this. So I think this will go on the stove. And then this piece, which I now have 2 of, will go onto there, and we should be good. But, okay, I got 2 gas lines for the price of 1.
Wait.
So it wasn't the 60.
You can put that gas line on this stove when you use it for woodworking stuff.
If I do that, yeah.
I just hope that,
Joy script out wood screw. So since I disconnected it, I think gas is seeping out of the stove a little bit. I have leak tested the thing and it is not leaking. Well, to find out if I'm lucky, I am lucky. So this is what was on there, which I think is like a 3/8, because that stove didn't pull as much gas. This one has a high, it needs more gas, so it's 1/2 inch requirements. So luckily, the bases are the same size. So this new adapter that came with the hose, which has a shut-off valve built into it, so if you completely break loose, it shuts the gas off. Should fit. I just got to put some Teflon tape, and this is the special yellow Teflon tape designed for gas. They actually used pipe dope, pipe sealant, what do you want to call it, on the thing the first time. Couldn't find my ratchet offhand, so this is taking longer than it needs to. Feels good and tight. Okay, gas line should be installed except for leak testing. To test this valve, if I turn that wide open, it should cut the gas off.
Oh.
It didn't.
Huh?
I don't know if there was enough pressure in these lines to actually make that valve shut off. It didn't go. Whoop. I'm gonna go find my socket. Okay, gas line is connected. Time for some leak checks. Any leaks there? No leaks there.
It's lower than our last oven.
Well, that's what feet are for.
Oh, gotcha. You haven't put the feet in.
Well, they're in, they're just not adjusted. I'm going to leave it right here for now.
Since you're not.
Because since we got to pull it out and do the stuff with more, this will be enough to test it. Now, in theory, it's going to take the gas some time to get up to a burner. But honey.
So, you remember how it talked about how others light at the same time? I don't see that happening. Oh, wait. Before you do that last one, I'm going to get a close-up. All right. Beautiful.
And actually, those flame tips look accurate. I don't think I'm going to need to adjust that part. And you see how low that low is?
Yeah.
That's the way low is. I wonder if they never changed out the tips in their other one.
Beautiful.
Let's go with a broil. Really?
Hi, door.
Apparently you can't actually...
Wait, can you hold the thing? The
Well,
safety feature thing?
this one?
It's on that side.
Ah.
I mean, you can't see it through your hand, but that gives you a chance to look at it.
There we go.
Okay, that was the one, and then the
Now
other.
for bake.
Do you need to press start or anything?
I hear... Hit start just in case.
Oh, I like that.
Lighting up.
Now it tells you what temperature it is.
Well, I think that's what it's going up to. I think that's what the...
No, it's set to 350.
Huh.
And it tells you.
There we go. But yes, from the looks of it, it is going to stink things up. So you probably don't want me doing anything else tonight.
Probably not.
But for all intents and purposes, she's hooked up. Whew. It just went limp. But yes, there you go. She is basically connected. Like I might want to twist it a little bit so it folds up. And we may need to read the manual on this because, like, okay, it's what? 7:01. Clock. Can't hit 0, so 7:01. Clock.
Start?
That's what I was wondering. Yep, it is start. Maybe we should cook something on it.
It's so pretty. You could make grilled cheese on the griddle.
I mean, technically we do have bread and cheese, but you know, do you really want to mess up a grilled cheese? So, like, I know how the other griddle works. This one, I haven't mastered this one yet.
It's bread and cheese and a new griddle.
See, I know your keywords.
What?
We haven't washed it yet.
Damn.
I know how you are about washing everything. Oh look, I got new clothes. Gotta wash them first. Man throws that thing on, and since it smells new, you can wear it like 3 times. Yeah, baby. It's like that's what the flame is for. It cooks off all the contaminants. Teflon never hurt nobody.
But I can wash it real quick. It's not a lot of space for bacon.
I mean, can you imagine the nasty mess cooking bacon on that thing?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't want
I mean, I don't really see us using that griddle, to be honest. It's like, it's cool that it's there.
And I agree with what you said, that it would be amazing for one particular reason. Go ahead and demonstrate.
Oh.
What that reason would be.
Spoon rest. Gets dirty, pick it up, throw it in the dishwasher. Nothing that is there will spill out because of the tray, so anything there will be self-contained.
Booyah!
I mean, it's basically a giant utensil tray.
Samsung hack for your oven.
The only downside is, will sitting there block your pan from sitting even on the eye? It might.
Huh?
Like if you got a big pot, it might not be able to sit on the eye correctly because of this being there.
And that can't go on the other one?
I mean,
no.
It's not designed for it. It's like the bottom of it actually has tabs designed for this thing. Turn it this way, let it sit there like that.
Oh, that's
It's a little bit more room.
for a front pot.
Yeah. So you want to wash it so I can cook grilled cheese? Is that it?
I don't have to,
Yeah.
but it is a good idea. This is awesome, y'all. It fits right here on the sink for easy cleaning of the top. It's probably the propane.
It's got marriage written all over it.
I don't know if we even got that. I have a headache part.
I have a headache and it's got marriage written all over it.
So, how did it go?
I had a funny expression. Start again. Okay, so this is the 4-foot line. Okay.
And this is
a second 4-foot line. So this one is apparently missing one of those pieces actually, but the other one's got the one I need. I guess I'm going to go ahead and tackle this. Unless you're like, you know what, I can go without an oven for one more day and we've got the parts we think. Let's just call it done.
You're perfectly okay if that's your decision.
I'm good either way. Let me rephrase that. Are you up to recording all this crap and doing whatever recording you want to do?
Probably not.
Because if you don't feel like it, then I'm okay waiting a day. Okay. In theory, we're done. At least until I replace that foot and all that kind of stuff.
Replace the foot?
You know, install the hold down bracket.
Oh. Gotcha.